In this video, I will show you how to generate tags for TikTok or YouTube. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Tags are an important part of YouTube and TikTok SEO, or the search engine optimization. Tags help the platform understand the content of your video and help your video show up in search results. So there's a quick way to generate effective tags for your TikTok and YouTube videos. To do it, just follow these steps. Open your browser. This can be any browser of your choice. Now search for rapid tags. Click this first result and you will get to this website. You don't need any account or any subscription to use this website. Now click Use a Tag Generator. Also, this website contains ads, so just be patient with those ads since those are the reason why this website is still free. Click and in here, type the YouTube title which you want to generate tags. After that, click the Go or the Search button. At the bottom, click on Copy Tags. Now those tags are now copied to your clipboard and you can now use it in your video. Now if you want to generate tags for TikTok, tap on this TikTok tags banner. After that, do the same process. Input the video title in this field and then click on Search button. And that's it. You can now copy the TikTok tags and use it in your video. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.